bit light. What is it?
Exactly.
A smiley face orange. Do I put the date?
You can put
What's
the date.
The date is 30th.
Then
31st.
31st?
Yeah.
31st.
31st.
Is this one?
Yeah, you can use this.
A little 31st. This one I have to repeat. Always a heart and it's always smiling.
The baby is
Like kids,
Like a baby home.
like a baby home.
So this is for like a little, like the kids here are older.
Yeah, these are older. Those in that house are 3 to 4.
Okay, so the age group for this?
These are toddlers.
I would like
Between
to see
8
inside.
to 10 years.
She would love to see inside.
Okay.
We're going.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay, the Quran. Tell me, what do you think? What about you? Go here and work with.
What are you doing?
The mother. And the mother takes care of like 10 to 12 kids. So each house has 10 to 12 kids. So she's in charge of everything, what they eat, what they put on, what time they sleep, what time they go to school. So each mother is given a house, and you're in charge of those 12 kids.
Yeah.
They have timetables to govern them.
Okay.
She does what and what
Menu,
food for the day.
there.
Wow. That is very nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice life.
And they keep saying, yeah, there it is.
Another day for cleaning, sweeping in front, cooking, doing the dishes, sitting the room, does the room. This is the food menu.
This is good. I would be very comfortable. I'm telling you. Thank you guys for
Then
the
this is the
beautiful work.
energetic sleep.
This is lovely. Wow, I'm super impressed. Like, this is dope. I would be very comfortable. I'm chilling, watching some TV once in a while. Yeah?
Even the food menu is very interesting.
There's even katogo sometimes.
So here's the heart.
Oh, that's the hard thing.
That's the heart.
Yeah,
Will you be able to see the heart? Or you have to see it?
I have to see it.
Yeah, if you were to get it properly, it must be here.
Yeah.
If you go near, then you can't get it.
The view will not come out.
Now what happens? Sometimes you find the mother is in labor and this mother passes out. Then there are some mothers who are very funny, they drop Yeah, the triplets. Where are they? Josiah, come. Tell us, sweetie. It's a twin to that one. Yeah. So and that one.
Mugambeko, how are you, mommy?
Babalekula biri ababebi
Kwano.
mukama akolere ebyekisa
Amina.
munange when I leave. That will make me come back and bring something for the baby. Oh, it's again anyway. Yes.
Maybe the triplets.
It's this that boy and this one. No, no.
Oh.
They all look at okay, maybe because of the hair. You guys are ugly.
Yes.
That's